Today we're going to be making a rainbow in a jar. How do you think it works? All right, let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. Oh wow, that's so pretty. I know how we can make our own rainbow. You'll need some scissors, some food coloring, a spoon, some skewers, some straws, some colored card, some sugar, some glue, and a bunch of jars. Make sure you have a lid for one of them. Right, we need to start with our jars and our food coloring. I'm going to put a couple of squirts of red in this one. A couple squirts of yellow in this one. And in this one. And then I'm going to take my blue and put it in this one at the end. Oh, and in this one in the middle to make green. Now I'm going to add a bit of warm water to all of them. Remember, it needs to be warm, otherwise the sugar won't dissolve. Next, I'm going to take this card, roll it up into a tube, and then fold it out like this to make a funnel. This will make it easier to put the sugar in our jars. Time to take my sugar and my spoon. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 spoonfuls in this one. Next, I'm going to move my funnel to the next jar and give it 4 spoonfuls before moving my funnel once more and putting 2 spoonfuls in the last one. We don't need to put any sugar in our red one. Next, I'm just going to take the funnel away and using these skewers, stir them all up to help the sugar dissolve. We're now going to add the color to our main jar, the one with the lid. Let's start with the blue. I'm going to use this straw to move our liquid gently into our rainbow jar. We can do this by taking the straw, placing it in the liquid, putting our finger on top, lifting it out, and then taking our finger off, letting the liquid trickle out of the straw. Make sure that when you do this, you let the liquid travel down the side of the jar so it settles gently rather than mixing with the other colors. You need to do a little bit of blue, a little bit of green, a lot of yellow, and a little bit of red. This will help all of our colors spread out evenly and look really nice, because the yellow is paler than the rest of them, so it's easier for it to get lost in the darker colors. Now we just need to put our lid on and move it to the side. I think I want to decorate it. I'm going to take this paper, draw some clouds on it, and then cut those out. Oh, those look lovely. Now taking our jar and the glue stick, we're going to glue these on one by one. Just like that. Amazing! What do you think? Oh, looks like they like it. Cool, huh? Here's how it works. Let me demonstrate this with some oil and some water. Oil is less dense than water, so it floats along the top. The rainbow effect is very similar. It works because of different densities in the liquid. Density is the measurement of how many particles are packed into a certain space. All objects are made of matter, or particles, but the difference is how tightly the particles are packed together. We can change the density of the water by increasing the amount of sugar we add. The more sugar we add to the water, the greater the density. Liquids with different densities don't mix, which is why oil floats on top of water, and why our different colors are layered one on top of the other, like a rainbow. Good job, everyone! Another successful experiment. Did you learn something new today?